Reason 6. TB in the genital tracts. While the initial exposure to the tubercle bacillus is through the lungs, because the bacillus is inhaled, most of us can fight off the infection, as a result of which it remains silent in the body, causing no harm. However, sometimes these latent bacilli get reactivated and then spread throughout the body through the bloodstream. They can then get deposited in any part of the body, causing a TB infection of that organ. It is only when it lodges and infects the genital tract that TB can cause infertility. Reason 7. Use of lubricants. It reduces sperm mobility and transfer. Reproductive physiologist Joanna Ellington informs that water-based lubricants often have glycerin, which has been shown to be toxic to sperm, and polypropylene glycerol, both of which are highly hyperosmotic. This results in irreversible damage to sperm and a loss in motility after exposure to commercial lubricants. Damage to sperm and subsequent inability of the sperm to penetrate into the cervix following contact with lubricants may prevent conception in some couples. Reason 8. Uterus fibroid. Much depends on what type of fibroid you have. Less than 3% of women who seek help for infertility with fibroid without any other obvious cause for their fertility problem. Reason 9. Premature menopause. What are the symptoms of premature menopause? Symptoms of premature menopause are often the same as those experienced by women undergoing natural menopause and may include regular or missed periods, periods that are heavier or lighter than usual, hot flashes, a sudden feeling of warmth that spreads over the upper body. These symptoms are a sign that the ovaries are producing less estrogen. Reason 10. Low ovarian reserve. Ovarian reserve is the pool of eggs present in the ovaries at any given time. Low ovarian reserve is when there is a physiological decrease in the number of eggs, resulting in an insufficient number to ensure a reasonable chance of pregnancy. Generally, it is caused by aging ovaries. Patients can have diminished ovarian reserve but intact ovarian function. In the end, do not forget to join us now to get you all new